Top 5 sport bikes, global performance leaders. 1. Ducati Panigale V4 R. Ultimate superbike, approximately 998 cubic centimeters V4 with approximately 240 horsepower MotoGP-inspired aerodynamics and electronics, pure track performance with road-legal usability, where permitted, Bike Love Zone 2. Yamaha YZF-R1M. Elite Japanese superbike, approximately 998 cubic centimeters and 200 horsepower with advanced electronics. Öhlins electronic suspension and quick shifter, ideal for riders who want premium tech and track prowess. Bike Love Zone 3. BMW M 1000 RR, German race-ready machine. 999 cubic centimeters, 212 horsepower with carbon bits and aerodynamic winglets, razor-sharp handling and advanced rider aids, superb for performance-oriented riders. Bike Love Zone 4, Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R, downsized superbike killer, 998 cubic centimeters inline 4. 200-plus horsepower superb WorldSBK DNA with updated electronics track and street-optimized balance wheels bingo 5. BMW S 1000 RR. Balanced lighter class performance, 999 cubic centimeters with 205 horsepower, sophisticated traction and stability systems. Great choice for both aggressive street riding and track days. ऐसी ही इंफॉर्मेशन वीडियोस के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद।